Well, I said I'd try and get a video, hello lovely people, of Jessie and Lily out. I was sort of more hoping that I would get that done outside, but it's absolutely impossible with this rain, and solid rain for a solid week, you could say. But Jessie's decided that he would come on over to the fan area, and he's such a big boy. I'm sort of a bit worried about the fan, which is on a very uneven level, so I'll try and even it up, because you know it's his weight pulling it totally to this side. So I'm just wanting him to get a little bit further on, and he's just doing it slowly but surely at this minute. And Lily is over there. Come on, Jessie, move your butt, boy. Like, you're going very, very slow, because he's never been up there before. So he's wondering, you know, what this whole new thing is. And of course, the little snakes have been on it, so he is, you know, tasting all of that as well. But wow, come on. No? It'd be good if you sort of weighted yourself a little bit better, but you know, point is he's got to turn himself around and go back over there if he wants to. So I'm going to have to let go for a second. I'm just going to be keeping my eye on it and make sure, because you'll see just how much he's actually moved that fan to the one side. So I don't need a fan falling out. I don't think it will, but you never know. And Lily, well, she wanted out, and I let her out, and she was going up to her spot over there, but Jessie was there and he wasn't budging. So Lily was the one who had to decide where she would ultimately end up, and she decided right here somewhere. I know a tail is sitting up there on the picture, but where her actual head is, oh, it's right there. So she's kind of made herself comfortable up here while Jessie is, I can see you. I can see you now. Oh yeah, you need to come back. So how are you going to do that? Along your own body. But I don't think you got enough room before you'll actually possibly, whoa, good catch, Mum. Good darn catch. I knew he wasn't going to be able to do it by himself. As I said, that area is certainly not made for the big snakes at all to be on, and that's why I made the length that I did, especially for the little guys who can't reach over there, but the big guys ultimately can. But yeah, Jessie was, whew, I'm glad my hand was there to grab him. If I'd not had the camera, I could have done a lot more and actually helped him a little bit more, but you know, I managed to catch him. And yeah, you can see how gorgeous he's looking after that shed. So fresh new skin, looking very, very smart. Lily, of course, could not care less how good looking he is or beautiful he is at the moment. She's just not impressed with the fact that He's kind of takes over, and you'll notice, you know, just how big Jessie is. I can't, that's it with my hand, and my finger is, you know, in the same place around his girth, whereas Lily, you know, I can't because she's kind of lame, but you know, pretty much around the top, maybe a little bit less if I was there, but not much less. So Jessie certainly is a very big boy for a 4-year-old jungle. He's not, you know, I don't overfeed him in any way at all. Just he will get 2 large feeders and goes a couple of weeks now, and then he gets a jumbo, and a jumbo really is not even equal to 2 large. So, you know, I'll let him go about 10 days, and generally he's ready then to, he's ready to feed, you could say. So yeah, I, you know, had to get him out to clean his enclosure, and now he's just spending time up here. I do regularly check all the fittings and everything up here to make sure nothing is wearing out or whatever, and that's about all I do. So, but anyway, yeah, just a little video of Lily and yeah, Lily and Jessie just hanging out, doing snake things, snake stuff, whatever that may be that they're happy to do. And if they weren't happy to do, it's just, well, Lily's over there, isn't she, Jessie? Hey, you're a very handsome man, I must say. You're going to check out her tail? Don't disturb Lily. Please don't disturb her. She's quite happy to just lay there. You be just quite happy to lay where you are. What are you doing? Yeah, you have to, don't you? You just have to. Huh? You leave her alone? Please, just leave her be. She came over here to settle because you were, yeah, in her spot. So I bet you anything he's going to come around this way and then start coming down the poles. No, it's not. Very good. So now I can say, take care of yourself, family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao, everyone.